Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. So today we are going to learn about pronouns. Pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, they. Pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, they. So where we will use this? A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. So, we are using he, she, it, I, we, they in the place of a noun. So, what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Is it? So, let's see how we are using this. So, he we are using for a boy or a male person. So, if a sentence is there, Rahul is writing. Rahul, he is writing. So, we can use instead of Rahul. Rahul is the name of a boy. So, instead of that noun, Rahul is a noun there, is it? There we can use he. He is writing. He is writing instead of Rahul. So, in the name of boy, he we are using instead of a boy or a male person, that is a man. All the male persons we will use he. For all the boys we will use he. Is that clear? Look at the example. Peter is a good son. Peter is the name of a boy. So instead of Peter, we can use the pronoun he. He is a good son. Instead of writing Peter, we can use he. Peter is a boy, so we will use he. Now where we will use she? She is a pronoun for a girl or a female person. So for all the girls and for all the female, we will use what? She. She we are using for girl, woman, lady. Everyone we will use she. Look at the example. Princess Anna is living in the castle. So Princess Anna is the name of a girl. So instead of that we can write she. She means girl or lady. Is it? So she is living in the castle. Got it? Next, it. It we will use for an animal, plant or an object or a thing. Birds, animals, plants, object, things, etc. We will use it. It we are using for plants, animals, birds, things, objects, etc. We are using it. For all the boys we will use he. For all the girls we will use she. And it we will use for animals, birds, plants, objects, things, etc. So look at this example. The cat is on the mat. The cat, it's an animal. So it is on the mat. Got it? Understood? So he, she, it, I, we, they are called pronouns. Pronouns we are using instead of nouns. He we will use for all the boys and for all the male. She we will use for all the girls and for all the ladies, etc. And it we will use for animals, birds, plants, object, things, etc. So he, she, it, where we are using. Is it clear? Now next is we. We is a pronoun for the person speaking and the other persons with him or her. We means there will be a person, and along with that person, along with that boy or girl or man or lady, there will be other people. Understood? We means among that one person will be speaking and there will be other people, not singular, not one, many will be there. We and they means many. And they is a pronoun for two or more persons, animals, plants, objects, place or events. They. Is that clear? So we and they are used for plural when there are many. When there are many people, we will use we, and when there are many people, animal, plants, things, etc., we will use they. So let's see the examples for we and they. My friends and I will donate goods to the victims of the flood. Here the person I is there, I is talking, and some of his or her friends. So when it is the person speaking along with other people, so that we will use we. My friends and I will donate goods to the victims of the flood. We will donate goods to the victims of the flood. Next, Melinda and Christina are studying for the quiz. Two girls are studying for the quiz. It's not one, it is more than one. So we will use they. They are studying for the quiz. Understood? So he, she, it, and I we will use for singular, for one person. And we and they we will use for plural, more than one. So that is all about pronouns. He, she, it we will use for singular, and he we will use for boys, she we will use for girl nouns, it we will use for animals, birds and things. And we and they we will use for plural when there are more than one. Understood? So that's it for today. Thank you.